Alright, welcome to Georgia Bigfoot in Ohio. I'd film the Zanoni area, so it doesn't mean that they're all the super structures are here. Did you throw something at me? What was that hit me in the back? But it's still the area. Yes, there's a trail, but it doesn't mean they don't use it too. That's one thing about Ohio. It's got a heck of a, they call it the Emerald Necklace around Cleveland. And it's all land of nature. This is actually part of a national forest. My son's running, so disregard all sound. X. Wow, look at this little area here. There's all the rocks surrounding. So it goes all the way around. Wow, the trail's gone. Almost. Still here barely. Make as much noise as you can with the bottle. Thank you. Well, a lot of stuff over the trail. I don't know what that scream was. There's some kind of bird right there. A rock pile there. Interesting. Nothing is a coincidence here. I've come to this area tons since 2015. Those frogs are in the background making a lot of noise, the tree frogs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see if you can make as much noise as possible. Thank you. Thank you. I'll make you famous. More famous than nothing.
Can I go up there, Dad? It looks like there's steps.
Yeah. Wow, look at that X. Right there. Fresh. Exciting. Anyone know that song? Go ahead. Then you're probably from the 80s. Look at that. That's sweet. It's not by coincidence. Like I said before, it's beauty. Good with the bottle. Good job. Plane flying over. Well, we're getting to a place that looks kind of like, I haven't checked this out in a while. It kind of looks like Colorado to me. I hate to bring that up, but it's very, all the trees over that are still living or were living, it's snapped off. I guess they're competing with Colorado, and since they know it would eventually make it on the film. So this is a never before seen. Look at these fresh trees knocked down. They were living, and they're in the middle of a forest, and they're knocked down. And they weren't any taller than those other ones, yet they were knocked down. It's kind of weird. Because that tree is like completely, well, it's got a lot of rot on it, but it's not, it could have gone over. Why wouldn't that one go over? And this one's over in a different direction. Oh, beautiful. I don't think this camera's doing the color right on this. It's really, it's like Art Model orange. Inside joke, Cleveland. You can look it up. So pretty. But yet, these trees were alive when they were knocked over. That one was ripped. Again, all that sounds, frogs. That leaner right there. Right on that vine. A double leaner into an X. Look at those back there. Going the, of course, opposite direction of those. So, and this one, opposite direction. They're all different directions. All right. Wow. This is a pretty awesome area. It's different. It's different. I should have come here. I've been to the edge of this, but I don't think I've ever walked. Look at that bend, that fresh bend under there. And that one broken. They're all aiming in that way. Wow. A lot going on here. A lot. It's everywhere. It's like a construction crew came down in here. Just tilted them each different direction. Look at this. That's a living tree bent all the way over. It's still alive and it's just bent. And there's no tree that fell on it. So what did that? What did that that's big enough? Just think about that. And this one here, that was living. I mean, that's living too. So, totally different direction. And all those over there. Well, this place is amazing. I'm not just saying that. This place has got it all going on. Moss. Just every which direction is another fence of trees. The chippy monk. Awesome stream. This is from spring water. So this would be great to drink. I'm looking for anything with a cut, and they're all broken off. There's nothing with a cut. I don't think you should drink it though, even though I said it's probably good, but we have water already. And if I was absolutely thirsty, absolutely. But
And it is like regular water.
it's definitely spring water.
Where's it coming from though? So like
Wow, this is just awesome. I mean, if this is like, this is really special here. So I gotta come back to this joint. The uncut footage. Just so much going on here. That plane's slowing down right overhead. Wow. Wow, look at all those brakes. That sounded peculiar. Whatever that ooh was. Of course, that plane is masking everything. It's about going to stall speed overhead. So the ridge line, following it. Let's see what's here. This went through a spider web. That is awesome.
looks like regular road.
I'm getting every spider web for you, Drew. So we're good to go.
Oh my god, bumpers. Oh my no, stop it. Why is
That
there
bend
always
right
hanging all
there.
over the trees?
Look at those. It's just. There's a little sanctuary here. There's no trail. But it's pretty packed down, whether that's deer or them. This is really packed down. And the trail goes right through there. Game trail.
Why is there always writing on trees?
This is old.
I don't know what any of it means.
This is peculiar, the double slash. That's like an axe that they did it with.
Somehow how they got in here with an axe. I don't know how, but they did.
Bad people.
For the secret language reasons.
So this just is really special here. So there's a squirrel over there. But so two creeks running in, a ridge line. It's just a beautiful little place. It's a beautiful place to call home. That's why.
I think my soccer didn't get hold.
And it's pretty bright out yet, but in here it's so dark. Listen to that bird. And the plane's coming by again. Looks like a footprint right there. Right here. Right there, I didn't actually step on it. Sure looks like the big toes. It's wide. That plane is really, it's going above and going at stall speed right on top of us. Right there. Okay. Well, thanks for watching.